Alright, today we are going to take this cube and we are going to delete it. So hit the letter X if it's selected and hit delete. And now we're going to do Shift, letter A, and we're going to insert, we're going to add a circle. Zoom in by scrolling the mouse in or up. Alright, and I'm going to now go down to add circle at the bottom, click on it, and go and field type. Let's change that to Ngon. Alright, and if you want to make this a little bit bigger, you can hit the letter S and you can drag it out, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Okay, we have this. We're going to now hit the number 1 on the number pad. The number pad, not the numbers above the letters. Number 1 on the number pad. And if it's not working, make sure your mouse cursor is on the screen, then it will change whatever you did with the keyboard. Alright, we're on the front view. We're going to now go up to here, object mode, and we're going to change that to edit mode. Hit the letter E for extrude, and then we're going to drag this up. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, go 10. And then you're going to hit the letter S, and we're going to make this go out. Then we're going to hit the letter E for extrude again, go up just a little bit. I'm going to go up by 1, 2, maybe 3. Click. Then I'm going to hit S and take it out some more. Then I'm going to hit and I'm going to scroll around to the top, and we need to get rid of that, so we hit the letter X. And we're going to delete not the vertices or the edges, but we're going to delete the faces. Awesome. So I'm going to take the mouse wheel and scroll around, look at the bowl shape. And now I'm going to hit down to the wrench. Now let's go up to object mode. Go up top, hit object mode. And we're going to go down here to the blue wrench, and we are going to click on it, modifier properties, and we're going to add a modifier. And we're going to go down to solidify first, and we're going to give this thickness. Give the bowl some thickness. 0.5 to 0.8 for the bowl thickness. Then we're going to go back up to add modifier, and we're now going to do subdivision surface. And let's do viewpoint at 2. And you can right click on this and shade smooth, and then you have your bold. We have a bowl shape. And we're going to come down here to materials, to material properties, We're going to add a new material for the bowl, and let's give it some color. Go to shading now, you can see what it looks like.